Today, we're putting two heavyweight contenders to the test, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 SUV. While the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus is known for its touring capabilities, it's up against the Hankook, a tire that's earned its reputation in the SUV segment since 2019. So, which tire comes out on top? Let's dive into the details. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance. The Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 SUV outshines its competitor in wet braking, stopping in just 28.9 meters compared to the Michelin stopping distance of 31 meters, a difference of 2.1 meters. When we look at wet handling, the Hankook maintains an average speed of 74.2 kilometers per hour, slightly edging out the Michelin, which clocks in at 73.1 kilometers per hour. In aquaplaning resistance, the Hankook holds steady up to 74 kilometers per hour before slipping, while the Michelin begins to lose grip at 68.6 kilometers per hour. Now, let's switch to dry performance. In dry braking, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus stops slightly shorter at 35.5 meters, compared to the Hankook stopping distance of 36.1 meters, which resulted in a difference of 0.6 meters. However, when it comes to dry handling, the Hankook takes the lead, maintaining an average speed of 93.7 kilometers per hour, while the Michelin follows closely at 92.6 kilometers per hour. When it comes to exterior noise, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 SUV is slightly quieter, registering 70.3 decibels compared to the Michelin's 70.5 decibels, with just a 0.2 decibels difference. On the other hand, Michelin takes the lead in rolling resistance, with a coefficient value of 6.6, slightly more efficient than Hankook coefficient value of 6.9. So, how do these tires stack up? The Michelin Primacy 4 Plus excels in rolling resistance and dry braking, making it a great choice for those prioritizing fuel efficiency and safety in dry conditions. However, the Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 SUV dominates in wet performance, with better braking, handling, and aquaplaning resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.